Sans the Ramen Raider. Oh God, I said hey. Oh, that's too close to. Hi guys. Hi YouTube friends. Yeah. Anyways, this is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and it's now time for a new episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I'm sick. So, what do we do when we're sick? We sit at home and we try 7-Eleven 7 Select Tomato Basil Pasta Cup for the US market, made in Italy. Wow. Okay. Here it is. You get to see. Look at that. So you fill it to the line, right? You fill it to the line. Just below the mark, stir, cover for 3 minutes, stir and enjoy. So that's what I aims to do here. Let's put that in here. Just below the line. All right. Stirred. Now remember, with these style cups, it's like a thin plastic and kind of flexy. You want to make sure that you get around that bottom of that cup because it will hang out. Yeah, see, big old chunkies. Yeah. Anyways, there we go. And we've got a 3-minute timer. 1, 2, 3, bam. And yeah, so now we're like ordering everything on Amazon and doing the COVID shuffle. Yeah, it's nice at our apartment. If you're in need of packages and you can't make it to the office, they'll bring them to you, which is rad. So I don't have to like go to the office. I don't think they'd like me to go to the office. We'll play with this a little bit. I tell you, these things are a lot of fun. Yeah, here's what it looks like. That's the Duo, so it's a dual oscillator synth. And then we've got the Monotron delay. There's another one too, but these are what we call ribbon synths. So it's just got like a sensor that you could just like go like that with. Where is it? You can get the little bit of fly like an eagle. Just slow it down, you get some Beastie Boys. That kind of thing. Yeah, they're fun. And it's got a line in and a line out. I don't have my cable, but what you can do is set the delay on this, and then you can jack this into it, and you can get that delay effect out of it, which is pretty sweet. I mean, you can fit one in each pocket and jack it into like a little mini, like a pig nose amp and like destroy the world around you, if that's what you wish to do. So it's 3 minutes. Here is what we're looking at right now. So I'm guessing when you stir this, it's just gonna turn into this wonderful, wonderful thing. So far so good. I mean, it's pasta, and I kind of think the idea is that the sauce would be a little bit less saucy, but we'll see. That looks, it smells, oh, that's weird. It smells kind of like coffee, which is not not what I was expecting. I was expecting it to kind of smell like beefaroni. Let's give it a try. That's fascinating. I will go as far to say as I think I might eat that. I don't know. It's good, but kind of weird, but kind of good, but I don't know. Let's pour it in here. Let's get it all. Okay, what would we put on top of this? You know, what would have been good was to have some chashu ready to go, but I don't. Golly gosh, gee willikers. She's out there watching Hoarders without me. Gosh. We love that show. Oh man, people hoarding crap, it's great. Green onion? What else we got? What else? Oh, I gotta have something. Some fried garlic. A little fried garlic right about there. Wish I had some parm. Do I have any parm? Do I have any parm? I don't think so. I got crushed red pepper. Hey, there we go. There we go. A little bit of crushed red pepper. Yeah, it's like a pizza. All right. Yeah, this is interesting. I mean, I think it was like $1 at 7-Eleven. I think at the 7-Eleven in Anacortes, Washington, my original hometown. All right, let's do this. I got another one more to do today, and then it's gonna be bread time. I got this. Oh God, it feels like I was picking my nose with a Brillo pad over my finger. My nose hurts so freaking bad. This one is from MIT. This is ginger and sesame oil noodles, and they're very thin. They're Taiwanese dry noodles, and I think MIT kind of came to me last night. MIT might just mean made in Taiwan, because if you look at that, it's got a picture of the beautiful island right there. I miss Taiwan so much, and right now there's tons of wonderful Taiwanese people visiting my website because of an interview I did over there, which was fun. Anyways, thanks for watching. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye, all that.